This changed my whole life. Coconuts, you changed my life. Ever since I started using coconuts in the fire, I've had you collecting those sticks. You stick of sticks. The evolution of technology of the wood is rounded, so it never snaps. The fire is now rounded. It curves. See how the fire curves around each coconut. Last time I had a stick fire, I was freezing cold. But now I've got a coconut fire, I'm super warm.
Man, I had no idea how warm a coconut fire would be until I tried the coconut fire. I can't even remember what a stick fire feels like.
For 8 simple payments of $24.95, you get 8 coconuts. But wait,
There's more.
if you ring in the next 30 minutes, we'll give you an extra 8 coconuts. That's half the price of 8 original coconuts.
Are you kidding me? In 30 days, if you're not happy,
You just send that fire right back. Just put the fire in an envelope, send it back to 400 BG Drive. Call now, 1-800-COCO nuts.